Namaste everybody. On 22nd August at 4 pm, all the presidents of Maharashtra Sahodaya Complex are going to conduct a webinar on the new assessment policy. We are looking forward for all the educators from different schools from entire Maharashtra, and the principals along with the teachers can join this webinar because it would give a detailed view and understanding of the entire assessment pattern, including the internal assessment. It would be very useful for all the teachers as well as the heads of the schools. I would advise all the principals and teachers of your respective schools to join us on 22nd at 4 pm. Thank you.
This year, many important changes are happening in the board exam, and every teacher, principal, and every student needs to be aware of these changes. So, do not miss this program. In this program, you will get a very comprehensive overview of the board exam, the internal assessment, what is a project, what is a portfolio, what type of MCQs will be asked. So all these things will be explained by different Sahodaya heads and CBSE master trainers. So catch us live on 22nd at 4 pm. And wait a minute, do not forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to inform you when the program starts. So click on the bell icon and click on the subscribe button immediately. Namaste. See you tomorrow at 4 pm. Bye-bye.